Hello guys, first thank you so much for coming, and this is just a quick update about your gift. If you have hard time to find picture for 4th of July, I have some suggestion for you. Without using the 4th of July stickers, I believe these pages can be tweaked. For instance, like for Memorial Day, Veterans Day, any celebration, even shopping. Let's see, you find a good deals, house or cars, or even just a t-shirt, and then you sparkle fireworks because you're happy you had such a good deals. And also I think this would be good for camping, cookouts, or what else, marching band, parade. If you took a cruise, I believe that would be good for cruise also. Instead, this one, like the stickers, you can just replace with your stickers. What else I was thinking? Visiting New York City or any American city, ocean views, birthday parties, maybe even museums, parks. I don't know if I miss anything or not thinking about it. Please let us know. This way we can have more ideas. And the cards, the same thing. You don't have to put the sticker Independence Day. You can put Happy Birthday and just cover the 4th of July with stamp with something else. Or it's very easy to tweak these. I hope you guys gonna like this. I love this, but everybody's different. So one more little things. I wanna show you. I am going to have creating videos for you guys step by step how to cut and assembling. But also the kit comes with a cutting guide and a basic instruction if you don't wanna watch the video. So let me put this away, and I just want to show you something quick. So this will be your card one. I don't know if hopefully you can see it. Everything what you see you can create. The only things you need to bring is blinks. I did not have enough blinks, and but you don't have to do anything, but I'm sure you guys have plenty of blinks. So I used two different size, one like a medium size and one like smalls. So if you can see, I put in here and then here, and I pop the bike, and I pop the America. I use this stamping dimensional, but you can use any kind of 3D dimensional or any pop dots or whatever. Every company call this in a different way. I can never figure it out what to call this. Anyway, on here I just popped only this part. This is flat. I just wanted to pop this part just a tiny bit, and the same in here. These are all stickers. I just put just one little pop in here, pop dots. So then just a little dimension. I didn't want a lot. And then this is just the inside. I had some sticker left and really basic everything. You might gonna love this because it's no stamping involved. Although I do like stamping, but some people I know you don't. Okay, so this one is card one. Hold on, this one is that's card 3. Card 2. That's the back inside, and then here's the then again I pop this, I flat in here, but I pop just a tiny bit. And the same with the Happy Birthday America. I just pop this part, but this is flat. You'll see more when you see the original one. Then you can, if you like this way, you can follow the way how I did that. And then this one is card 3. Same thing. I have some blinks in here. this is flat, but I pop this and flat, pop this. Honestly, it's really, these are all stickers, guys, all. Then the end, I mean the inside again and the back. Okay, now here comes the pages. Let me just take this. I hope you see this here. All right, I made a boo-boo in here. If you guys can see it, the way how I cut it, it does not match. But your cutting guide, the way how I did that, it will match. So make sure when you cut, watch the orientation, okay? And this is a little close-up. I did flat in here and I popped just the end at just a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but probably not. I don't know. So blinks in here. I put little blinks in there. This is some of them it's a close to my heart paper, and blinks are from close to my heart. I already purchased this before I become Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so we're just gonna have to, I think it's nice, but I didn't know which way I'm gonna go, if I'm gonna be solo or going with Stampin' Up! Or creating memory, or I didn't know what's going on. I still not 100% sure what I'm doing. I might stay with Stampin' Up! I might not, I'm not sure. But here's the other half of the page, the right side. I pop this, it's flat in here. I pop this and I put a little blink in there. And then the last page is going like this. Okay, so a little close up. I put party in here, but you don't have to. Let's see, if you go for a cruise or something, put the cruise name or the company who you went with, or you can put New York City, or I don't know, whatever, you know, let me know what else you guys think if I missed something, because it's always good to know what your suggestion. We learn from each other, right? And then this is the other one, little blinks in here, here, and then this is the other half, little close up. I popped only the flag a little bit. These are flat. I pop this, everything is flat in here. I popped the heart. It's flat on this side, but I put a little dimension in the end in here, so it go a little bit like a little curve, just giving a little bit extra, but I did not want a lot. And the same in here, it's a little dimension in here, but everything else is in flat. But anyhow, I hope you guys gonna like it. Like I said, I will have a private video for you to walk you through how to cut and assemble these, and you will receive that at your email. Thank you so much again, and I can't wait to see you guys all. Bye.